You're watching ABC 27, Central Pennsylvania's news leader.
All right, for your planning purposes for tomorrow, and we will have to plan, it sounds like.
Yeah, we'll probably have to do that if you need to do any errands, before the nasty weather sets in. You'll have the morning to do it. And
okay.
I think we'll start to see some snow arrive here probably by early afternoon tomorrow. So get your things done tomorrow morning. Now, here's the way things are shaping up so far as concerns. We're all looking at a winter storm warning for most of central Pennsylvania, and that would start off tomorrow right through Friday. Now, look at south of here. An ice storm warning has been posted because we're expecting to see quite an accumulation of ice right up through the mountainous areas here of the Appalachians. Around these parts would be a combination of some snow and ice, and then all snow a little bit farther north as you go. Now, to break it down for the Susquehanna Valley, I'm thinking basically areas east of the Susquehanna could see about a good 1 to 3 inches of snow before that changeover takes place sometime later tomorrow afternoon, and better chance of that changeover tomorrow evening, and then maybe as much as 2 to 4 inches west, some of the higher terrain. Now, north, better chance of seeing more snow. The colder air holds on longer. Further south, we'll see rain come into the picture as we go into the overnight tomorrow, and that could limit snowfall accumulations. I'm hoping that we get some snow first, because that could offer a little traction on the roadways if that icy situation does indeed develop later tomorrow. Now, we've been watching the satellite and radar. Some clouds beginning to drift in as I speak. They will increase overnight. Some precipitation already detected across parts of the Tennessee Valley. That'll hold off around here until I'm thinking maybe around a lunchtime hour or sometime early tomorrow afternoon. Very cold air locked in place right now. That's the culprit here. That's the key to this whole messy scenario, because you look south and southwest. Look at the numbers. Above freezing, for example, around Cincinnati. That warm air is going to be drawn up first above us at the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere, and that could change the precipitation over to a liquid event, but that liquid falls down into a very cold layer, so we're really concerned about ice accumulation with this storm. But we're at 14 right now, very cold out there, dew points down to 4, humidity 58%, the barometer falling. It will not get as cold as it did last night, or I should say this morning. Look what we were down to, record low of 4, the old record of 9 was shattered. Won't be seeing readings as cold, but it's still going to be plenty chilly out there. We only managed to get up to 19, and normally we should be up to 42 degrees. But here's the storm. Low pressure down around Louisiana. It's going to move like this. As it does, it brings in warm air. So this system's a little different than the one we had a week ago. That cold air is wedged down the eastern seaboard, right through the central valleys. It's going to be tough to erode. You hear meteorologists around these parts talk about cold air damming. That cold air just gets dammed up in the valleys, has no place to go, gets locked in, and that's the big question mark here, is how long will it take before we warm readings up above freezing, if at all? Those of you living south of the Turnpike have a better chance of seeing that happen. Now, as the low starts to pull in that warmer air Friday morning, we could see a changeover to plain old rain, especially south of Harrisburg. Then the system starts to move out. A quick little burst of snow on the backside of it is possible before it's all said and done with later Friday afternoon. We'll probably even see a little bit of sunshine come out Friday afternoon. So we'll have increasing clouds for tonight. No precip to worry about. Temperatures anywhere from 10 to 15. And then tomorrow, if you have anything to do, the morning should be okay. But by the afternoon, we'll see snow develop, and then probably some sleet and freezing rain. When this occurs all depends on where you live. The further south you are, the sooner we'll see that. And by tomorrow night, it could just be plain old rain in some sections as temperatures rise through the day tomorrow. Now, as we look ahead, we could see the numbers pop above freezing overnight tomorrow into Friday morning. Then the system moves away. We see some improvement for the weekend, but look at that. It stays cold right through next week and right before Christmas time. As a matter of fact, it looks like an even colder air mass coming in place. So I think this Christmas might have a good chance of having a white Christmas.
And just while you were on, folks from Myerstown, Lebanon County called us, and they said they're going to put a snow emergency into effect at 10 in the morning. So those of you who live in Myerstown know what the drill is. Move your car at whatever time.
There you go.
It starts at 10 a.m. and we'll be right back.
For more weather information when you want it, see your ABC 27 Weather Almanac.